Hi, I'm Farrell Green, and I will be talking about the life of the great scientist Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei is known as one of the most influential scientists of all time, who stands in the same category as other greats like Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, and Charles Darwin. Specifying his studies in astronomy, mathematics, physics, and philosophy, Galileo made various achievements in a large range of sciences. On February 15, 1564, Galileo was born in Pisa, Italy. Although he became a famous scientist eventually, he was really devoted in priesthood as a child. However, due to his father's pressures of pursuing a degree, Galileo found a great interest in mathematics. Luckily for us, Galileo chose the right subject to study, as mathematics led to all of his scientific discoveries later on. Galileo invented many useful apparatuses throughout his life. He is widely known for his invention of the extremely enhanced telescope, which could zoom into 30 times the magnification of the original telescope. Along with his upgraded telescope, he also improved the military compass. Since both of these items were highly demanded at the time, he sold both of these mechanisms in large quantities in order to make a living for himself. Though many people don't know this, Galileo was the first person to create the simple Greek thermometer in 1593. Later on, this device was improved by Gabriel Fahrenheit by adding mercury. One reason that Galileo is known for the telescope is because he made most of his scientific discoveries through this apparatus. One of Galileo's great findings was the discovery of the 4 largest moons of Jupiter, which are famously titled the Galilean moons. This discovery was critical to proving heliocentrism, because this was the visual proof that many skeptics needed to be persuaded. After Galileo was put on house arrest for backing heliocentrism, he also formulated the constant rate of acceleration. He discovered this uniform rate by observing an object fall from the Tower of Pisa, while marking checkpoints that scientifically proved acceleration was equal to 9.8 meters per second squared. Another smaller discovery of Galileo was the discovery of the moon's uneven surface, which displayed craters and mountains which were previously unknown to people. One of Galileo's most renowned theories was the creation of the scientific method. His main philosophy behind the scientific method was that one must observe and produce a question to reveal an answer. This process is usually taught to students at a very early age in science class, when they must go through various stages of the scientific method, like observation, hypothesis, experimentation, and conclusion. Lastly, Galileo Galilei's numerous discoveries led to rapid advancements in the scientific community. I hope you enjoyed the film and learned something. Have a good night.
Run my town, arms, chest, lift weights, bow, flex. Throw your setup, what you rep when you twisting your fingers. Real recognize real, and my nigga, you a stranger. Got a